In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an outro in CapCut. Whether you're looking to create a sleek and professional ending for your videos or something fun and energetic to match your channel's vibe, CapCut offers both ready-to-use templates and tools for complete customization. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use CapCut to design an outro that reinforces your brand, thanks your viewers, and keeps them coming back for more. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to download the app and get started. All right, let's dive in. First, we're going to explore how to use CapCut's built-in templates to quickly create an engaging outro. Start by opening the CapCut PC app. Once it's loaded, look over to the sidebar on the left and click on the Templates section. This is where you'll find a variety of pre-designed layouts to choose from. Now, to find something specific for your outro, type outro into the template search bar. Press enter, and you'll see a collection of templates ranging from clean and minimalistic styles to bold and vibrant designs. Take your time browsing through the options and select one that matches the tone of your channel or personal branding. For example, if your channel has a modern, sleek aesthetic, you might go for a minimal design. On the other hand, if your content is lively and colorful, choose something more dynamic and energetic. Once you've found a template you like, simply drag it into your project timeline. This places the template at the end of your video, ready for customization. Now, let's make it truly yours. Click on any element in the template to edit it. You can start by changing the text, add your channel name, social media handles, or a message like, "Thanks for watching." Next, adjust the colors to match your branding. For instance, if your logo has specific colors, use those to maintain consistency. You can also swap out any icons or images in the template with ones that better suit your content. Customizing these details ensures your outro feels cohesive with the rest of your video. Now, to elevate your outro even further, go to the Animation and Effects panels. Here you can add enhancements like fade-ins, transitions, or other subtle effects. For example, you might want the text to fade in smoothly or include a dynamic transition between your main video and the outro. Be sure to experiment with these features, but keep in mind that subtlety often works best. Overloading your outro with too many effects can make it feel cluttered. Lastly, consider adding a music track that complements your outro's vibe. A calm tune works well for a professional feel, while something upbeat might suit a more energetic style. Once everything looks polished and complete, click Export in the top right corner to save your video. CapCut will handle the rendering process for you. If you prefer to create a custom outro from scratch, let's move on to that next. Start by scrolling to the end of your main video timeline. This is where your outro will go. Drag in any video clips, still images, or graphic elements that you want to use as part of your outro's design. These elements will serve as the base for your final scene. From here, you'll want to add text. Click on the Text tab, insert a text box, and drag it onto your timeline. This is where you can include details like your channel name or a call to action, encouraging viewers to subscribe or follow you on social media. To make your text stand out, let's animate it. First, select the text layer in your timeline. Move the playback cursor to the start of your outro section and position the text where you want it to appear initially. Then, add a keyframe. Next, move the cursor to the point where you want the animation to end. Reposition the text to its final location and add another keyframe. Adjust the length of your text layer in the timeline to control the animation speed. Keyframes are a powerful tool for creating smooth, professional-looking text animations, and CapCut makes it easy to tweak and preview your adjustments in real time. To add even more character, use the animation panel to apply in and out effects to your text or other elements. For example, you could make your channel handle slide or bounce onto the screen and then fade out as the video ends. These small touches can make your outro feel dynamic and engaging. Now it's time to ensure a smooth transition from your main video to the outro. Head over to the Transitions tab and drag and drop a transition effect between your final video clip and the start of your outro. A fade or swipe transition works well to create a seamless flow and prevents any jarring cuts that might disrupt your video's pacing. Once everything is in place, review your entire outro to make sure it aligns with your desired look and feel. Play it back a few times to catch any tweaks you might want to make. When you're happy with the final result, click Export to save your completed video. Again, CapCut will handle the rendering process for you. And that's how you create an outro in CapCut, whether you're using a ready-made template or building one from scratch. With these steps, you can design an outro that reflects your unique style and leaves a lasting impression on your audience. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.